नमस्कार दोस्तों, कैसे हो? तो आज we shall speak about eggs. What function they play in our diet, what are the benefits of eating eggs, and how we can improve our health. As always, we have to eat well, we have to eat the purest ingredients, and we have to exercise well. Eat well, exercise well, sleep well. इससे अपना शहर अच्छा रहेगा. We will live well, we will live happier, and will live longer. So पहले let's start with some beautiful eggs. So we can have this for breakfast, we can have this for lunch or dinner or anywhere in between as a snack. They're almost like a perfect snack. So eggs and also dry fruits are beautiful snacks in between. So we have to take care of our health. We have to invest money in taking care of ourselves. And this way we can stay healthy and for a very long time and be productive and smart and rich. So pehle, let's start out with some of the benefits of eggs. They're easily available. They are reasonably priced and they are incredibly versatile. So इससे we can make a lot of different things. We can make omelets, we can make snacks, we can use them in dishes and so on. So pehle, let's speak about the nutrition. Eggs are a perfect source of protein. They have all the amino acids. They have high bioavailability, so they can be incorporated well. है. So then they have a bunch of vitamins too. So just let's look at some of the vitamins that are there. They are high in B vitamins. So B5, B12, B2, B6 are some of the main vitamins here. In addition to that, we have vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K, and these are extremely important and essential for our health. In addition to that, we have multiple minerals including phosphorus, selenium, calcium, and zinc. Calcium is very good and very important for our bones. So we have strong bones for the uh, lifespan. Vitamin D is great for bones too. Vitamin A is very good for our eyes. In addition, there are multiple other things that we shall speak about that make it a perfect food. So pehle, its eggs are extremely nutritious. They are extremely compact way. They're a very healthy way to use. As with anything healthy, we have to use our brains. We have to do it moderately and smartly. Plus, one thing in isolation does not lead to good health. So we have to eat well, we have to sleep well, we have to exercise or be active. And we need to be productive too in life. So we can do something and make something of ourselves in life. So let us look at some of the fallacies. Eggs will raise cholesterol. Our body makes cholesterol daily. हम जो cholesterol खाते हैं, that actually decreases our bodily production of cholesterol. So eggs increase good cholesterol, they increase HDL levels, and they lead to a better LDL profile. So of course, this is in moderation and with a good exercise regimen too. Plus, don't eat eggs daily. Eat it a couple of times a week. Like I said, diversity is best. Then we have to have varied food sources and varied health ones. Vegetarian diets are excellent, but supplementing them with eggs and meat occasionally is a good, sensible regimen. This is not for everyone. You have to see what works for you. So essentially, you want to do things that make sense for your health, not somebody's health, your health. You have to take responsibility for your health. You have to take responsibility for your life. So going on down the line, we also have other nutrients called lutein and zeaxanthin in eggs. Lutein is very important for our brain and neural system, which is our nerves. So they keep it healthy. So and they're good antioxidants. So this helps in keeping us healthy and smart and good. Going on to the other things, eating eggs causes strokes and heart disease. If you eat eggs as part of a sensible diet, couple of times a week, uh, you do it in moderation and have a good exercise regimen, this will not hurt your health or your heart or your brain. This may actually uh, control heart and brain problems as long as you eat sensibly, exercise sensibly, and live sensibly. You've got to look at the whole picture. You've got to look at the comorbidities. You have to look at your health conditions. You have to look at what is there. This way, you can discuss with your health professional about what is the best diet, the best regimen, the best exercise profiles that are available to you so that you can use them and get healthier. Eggs are also excellent for weight control. They keep you satiated for longer. Usually protein keeps you satiated for longer because it transits longer in our gastrointestinal system. If you eat clean food, drink clean water, and take care of yourself, and eat a healthy diet and live a healthy life, you will be just fine. So if you need, take water uh, from home in a steel or a brass container and take it with you to work or for recreation or wherever you go. You don't always need to eat at a restaurant. You can take a snack from home. You can take packed food from home, and you just need to see that what you are eating, how you are eating, where you are eating, and why you are eating uh, are very minutely looked into. Eat a few small meals throughout the day, eat a lot of fruits and vegetables, and as we said, eggs, milk, and meat products are in moderation. So you're always looking at the whole picture. You're always seeing what's good for you, your family, and your health. So you have to get the most information uh, from multiple sources. Read, get it from health professionals, get it from the general information available. You have to digest that information, discuss that with your healthcare provider or your friends, get the best information and use it for your health. So, eggs are a fantastic way of living longer, living smarter, and living well. The other thing, what I have here is warm water with lemon in it. Fantastic thing. It'll help you clean out some of your organs, including the liver. It's a great source of hydration, a great source of antioxidants. It tastes really good, and you need to eat well and drink well throughout the day. Adults and children have to take adequate amount of water that is necessary for them. Always try to drink warm or hot fluids. You will see that your health index goes up, your health stays better, and you will have less health problems in the long run. Ayurveda and Ayurvedic texts recommend the same too. Warm or hot water uh, that you make lukewarm before sipping, obviously, uh, kind of like a tea or a coffee. So these are very good for your health. The water apparently is better incorporated. So this would be a great way to increase our health. So drink water, drink tea and coffee in moderation, eat eggs, enjoy your eggs, go for exercise daily. Whether you play sports or you walk on your terrace or in your compound, whether you go for a walk around your neighborhood, go for a bicycle ride, or just walk in the neighborhood at your gym. Exercise, exercise, exercise. So, Desio, it's been wonderful talking to you. This is a health informational aid, And I hope you all stay healthy, happy, and live a long, healthy life. Vande Mataram.